Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. जब गुलिस्तान लोगों की जरूरत पड़ी, सबसे पहले ही गर्दन हमारी कटी। जब गुलिस्तान लोगों की जरूरत पड़ी, सबसे पहले ही गर्दन हमारी कटी। आज आज हमसे ये कहते हैं अहले वतन, ये वतन है हमारा तुम्हारा नहीं। Honorable President of today's program, distinguished guests, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 76th Independence Day celebration. We got independence from the British just 76 years ago. Friends, as we know, that August 15 is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On 15 August 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from the British Empire by putting their lives at stake. So, we celebrate this day historically in their memory and honor. We got freedom from British rule, which is incomparable. Friends, as you know, that the British government oppressed the people of India for many years and kept us as slaves. On the 15th of August, we got freedom from the slavery of the British and we became completely independent. My dear brothers and friends, in the relentless pursuit of this freedom, we also lost many great people of our country. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about their lives for the independence of the country and willingly sacrificed for the country. The contribution to the independence of our country has been made especially by Mahatma Gandhi, who used weapons like truth and non-violence against British rule and forced them to leave our lovely country. My dear brothers and friends, there were many other freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Tipu Sultan, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Fazl Khair Abadi, Sheikhul Hind, Maulana Mehmood Hasan Deobandi, Sheikhul Islam, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Nawab Sirajuddaulah, Hafiz Zamin Shahid, Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Dehlavi, Shah Abdul Aziz Muhaddis Dehlavi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, and Maulana Qasim Nanotwi, etc., who contributed to the independence of India and liberated the country from the British of slavery. My dear brothers and friends, we are very fortunate to have found such great freedom fighters and revolutionaries in history who not only liberated the country but also the coming generations from the slavery of the British. For this reason, we are free today and we are achieving new achievements day by day. My dear brothers and friends, even today, our eyes become moist by remembering those great people in modern times. We should not forget those great revolutionaries. If today we are living our lives freely, the credit goes to those people. Dear all, addressing you today on this auspicious occasion, I end my speech by paying huge respect and tributes to those great revolutionaries from my side. वफादारी वतन से हो यही इस्लाम कहता है, वफादारी वतन से हो यही इस्लाम कहता है, हम अपने दिल के हर गोशे में हिंदुस्तान रखते हैं। थैंक यू। वस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।